Good morning, third grade. Today we're going to continue with subtraction and addition, but we're going to be using word problems today, and they are going to be mixed. So you're going to have to first determine if the question's asking you to add or subtract, and then you're going to have to use our skills to either add or subtract. And I'm going to show you an example of an addition problem, and an example of a subtraction problem, and how we can tell the difference between whether we're supposed to add or we are supposed to subtract, and the keywords to look for. Our first problem says Alec donated money to various programs last year. First, he donated $4 to the community center and $619 to Save Endangered Animals. Then, he donated $49 to a medical foundation. How much money did Alec donate in all? And as good readers, we reread. Alec donated money to various programs last year. First, he donated $4 to the community center and $619 to Save Endangered Animals. Then he donated $49 to a medical foundation. How much money did Alec donate in all? Now, when we see where it says in all, we know that we're going to be talking about adding because we're talking about the total. So we want to add everything together to find our total because we want to know how much money did Alec donate in all. So now I have to go back and look at my information. I know he donated $4 to the community center, so I'll put my 4. I know he donated $619 to Save Endangered Animals. Now it's important that I remember to line up my place value. So the one place value in 619 is a 9, and that must be lined up with the 4. So I'll go ahead and actually write that in first, so I know it's lined up. Then I can write in my tens, and then I can write in my hundreds. And I also know that he donated $49 to a medical foundation. So I'll line up my 4 because that's a 40 with my tens, and I'll line up my 9 with my ones. And again, we know because it's asking for an all, we are going to add. Now, a good way to make sure I don't get confused because there's a lot of blank spaces is I can actually just fill a 0 in for all of my blanks, because that's really what would be there, because 4 ones has 0 hundreds and 0 tens, and 4 tens and 9 ones has 0 hundreds. And now I can just add straight down. Now again, I can use the associative property if that's going to help me. So I know 9 plus 9 is actually 18. And if I add 4, that will give me 22. So I put my ones down here and carry my tens, which is my 20 up top. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Don't have to carry. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. So I know in total, Alec donated $672, or I could write $672 if you're not able to do the dollar symbol on the keyboard.